Hey guys, welcome back. So this is going to be a little tutorial on how I made my Dulce flowers. I've got a few requests for me to show you guys how I made it. And once you see this, it's easy. It's like so super easy. Because I like my videos to be short, I kind of pre-cut everything. These are the dies that I'm using, but you can use any flower die you have. They don't have to be this one. It's any flower die you want. So to save time, I cut everything out. Actually, I forgot to get the foam flower, so I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back. So these are just regular foam flowers, and I got these from AliExpress. Again, you can use any type of center that you want. And I used diamond dust. And I think this is what makes the flower. Because if you see here, it's so sparkly. And I think that's what everyone is like, oh my God, it's so pretty. I think it's the sparkle, honestly. Because once you make your flower, you'll see that you can create any flower you want using that diamond dust, and it's going to look gorgeous. But I'm going to show you real quick how I made it. You're going to need one of these little tools, like these little styling, I guess, to form your flower. I don't do much to it. I just take my first big flower, I take my little circle thing and just poke it in the middle. That's it. And go around if you want. Once it forms into this little cup, I put it on the side. Then I take the next one, and again, just start like rolling the flower. So I just take it and roll it. And then poke the middle. Okay? So then you take, and you want to do it where it's like small, medium, and large. So you can see, I guess the petals more. Just roll and then poke in the middle. Okay? And I think I use, and again, you can use a lot of flowers. You could use a little flowers. I like to use at least 3 petals. Okay? But here we're going to do 4. I'm going to create 2 flowers with you guys. Then you take your big one and add your glue in the middle. You take your next one and just put it kind of like in between the next petal. Then more glue. You can use hot glue if you want. You can do this one, which you see is just a different petal. And then this one, more glue here. And then your next one. So you have all these types of petals. Look how pretty that is right there, right? Then what I do is, once I do that, I take my little ball thing. I don't know what these things are called, but we're going to call it ball tool. Then you take it right in the middle. I don't know if you guys can see. And kind of, let me do it this hand. And push down. And this is just like a little piece of foam. And push down. Okay? And it creates that little cup. Okay? Let's leave that one there for now so it can dry. We'll do it again. Take your big one. Take your ball tool and just roll. Roll, 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 roll. And then, again, using my other hand so you guys can see. Push down. Put it on the side. Take this one. Roll, 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 roll. Push down. Next, roll. Push down. This one. And once you get the hang of it, just start rolling. You could go as fast as you want. Okay, let's just leave those for now. Then, look, it's already 4 minutes and I'm already stressing. I don't know how to relax. Put that one there. I just feel like when I'm watching videos, I don't like to watch like long videos. I get kind of bored easily. So I always try to keep my videos under 5 minutes. Okay, there. And here I am, just, again, in between the petals. And then this one's going to have a few more. And then it's right there in the middle. Okay. Then once it's there, you take your poke. Let me use this hand. And then just push down to form your little cup. Okay. Once you have that, look how cute. You could put a bling piece in there if you like. I don't. Okay, now we don't need the sponge anymore. Now you're going to take your glue, a lot of glue in the middle. Take your center or your flower. In this case, I'm obviously using my foam flower. And just put it in the middle. If you're using hot glue, obviously it's faster, but my hot glue gun isn't over there. Okay, and boom, you got that. Take this one, glue in the middle, your foam flower or your, bling center, whatever you want. And push it down. Okay, now is when you're gonna see the magic. It's this thing, I'm telling you, diamond dust. I got that from Amazon. Okay, so now you take your glue and just start gluing over the petals on the flower. Petals, wherever you want that sparkle. I like to add some on the flower. Okay, that's all my glue. I put it in my little tray and then I just go put it all over. And I put a lot, like, oof, look at that. Once you do that, flip it over and tap. Tap, tap, tap. Okay, tap, and look at this. Once that dries, you're not gonna see these white, like thick patches. That's obviously the glue, but you're not gonna see that once that glue dries. Okay, let's do the other one. Or you don't even need the glue. You could leave it just like that. Look how cute. But I mean the glitter. I like using the glitter. It gives it that extra wow, Okay, so here we go. On the flower, remember, on the petals. Once you do that, put it in your little tray and glue. Diamond dust over your glue. And you see, I put a lot. Then just flip it over and tap. Tap, tap, tap. And look, once it's like that, if you want, you could put it in your hand, kind of squeeze it a little bit. But that is it, guys. That is how I make my flowers. And remember, all that white, you're not going to see it once the glue dries. Because look, this is the same exact thing. You see? Same thing. So I hope that this made sense. You see how easy it is? And, you could use whatever type of flower dye you want. You just want to make it into like a little cup. And that's it. Super easy. I hope you guys like it. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll put the links to the diamond dust, the flowers. But again, you could use any flower you want. But that's it. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.